It is small and can be found in some dishes, and incredible as it may seem, although it is small, it lends an amazing taste and aroma to foods. And the best of all, scallions are easy to be cultivated. Besides that, did you know that it has amazing benefits for our health? Learn about 6 benefits of using scallions. Belonging to the same family of garlic and onions, scallion is an aromatic herb of European origin that disseminated after the Middle Ages. Also called green onion or spring onion, it is known for its remarkable taste and its elongated leaves. The benefits of scallion to our health are many, and below we listed where and what for this tasty and healthy herb can be used. Contributes to memory and sleep. The presence of the substance choline in scallion helps in the process of learning and also on memory, besides helping regulate sleep. Improves immunity. Rich in vitamin C, it helps in immune system resistance and acts as an antioxidant, fighting free radicals that harm healthy cells. Prevents colds and flu. Because of the action of flavonoids, such as luteolin, scallions are able to prevent colds and flu. Reduces the risk of osteoporosis. The vitamin K found in scallions helps with bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Good for the skin. Talking about vitamin C again, and also because of its antioxidants, scallions act to fight structures that damage healthy cells and cause premature aging. Prevents many types of cancer. The nutrients found in scallion offer many benefits to the health, including cancer prevention and mood improvement. According to studies, the benefits of scallion in colon and rectum cancer prevention are due to the presence of organosulfur compounds in the herb. The authors of this research recommend consuming 10 or more portions of scallion or other plants that belong to the allium family, such as garlic, onion, and leek, as we have seen in a recent video on our channel that is being suggested to you right now. Did you know all these benefits? Do you want to plant and cultivate scallions at home? Then stay tuned, because on the next video we will show you how to do it at your home or apartment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.